Have you ever felt a sharp ache in your knees when climbing stairs? Or noticed your hands feeling stiff in the morning? Maybe it's harder to get up from a chair or carry groceries like you used to. If this sounds familiar, you are not alone. After 60, many people begin to feel their bodies slowing down. Joints can feel stiff, bones may seem weaker, and everyday movements become more challenging. But here's the exciting part. There is a natural nutrient that can help your joints stay flexible and your bones strong. It's called collagen, and it works like a secret support system inside your body. Collagen is the protein that keeps your joints smooth, bones dense, and tissues healthy. Think of it as the glue that holds your body together. Without enough collagen, your joints can ache, bones may lose strength, and movements can feel more difficult. But the good news is, you can help your body build and maintain collagen every day without expensive treatments or complicated routines. Imagine waking up in the morning and moving freely without stiffness. Picture walking, gardening, or playing with your grandchildren with strength and ease. That is possible, even after 60. With the right foods and simple habits, you can protect your joints and bones, stay active, and feel more independent than ever. In this video, we will share 8 easy, collagen-rich snacks that can support your joints and bones. And here's a little reward for watching until the end. I will also reveal a bonus tip that can supercharge collagen naturally, giving your body an extra boost without any pills or powders. By the time you finish watching, you'll have a complete list of snacks and practical ways to start strengthening your joints and bones today. Collagen is like a cushion for your joints. It sits between your bones and helps them glide smoothly when you move. It also gives your bones strength and keeps them dense. Without enough collagen, this cushion thins and your bones and joints can rub together. This can cause stiffness, aches, and sometimes even pain. As we age, our bodies naturally produce less collagen. After 60, this drop becomes noticeable. The cushion in your joints gets thinner, and bones lose some of their strength. Movements that used to feel easy, like bending, climbing stairs, or lifting small objects, can suddenly feel harder. Even simple daily activities may take more effort than before. This decline can be frustrating. You might feel slower, weaker, or less confident in your movements. But the good news is that the body can still make collagen if you provide it with the right nutrients. Eating foods rich in collagen and its building blocks can help rebuild this cushion and protect your bones. That means less stiffness, reduced aches, and more freedom to move comfortably every day. By understanding how collagen works and why it declines, you can take simple steps to support your joints and bones. Small, daily actions like choosing the right snacks can make a big difference. Over time, these habits can help you move easier, stay active, and enjoy life with less discomfort. Bone broth is one of the easiest and most effective ways to get collagen naturally. It is made by simmering bones from chicken, beef, or fish for several hours. This slow cooking process releases collagen, minerals, and other nutrients that your body needs to support healthy joints and strong bones. Drinking a warm cup of bone broth can help keep your joints lubricated, making movements like bending, walking, or climbing stairs feel smoother. The minerals in bone broth, like calcium and magnesium, also strengthen your bones and help prevent weakness. Many seniors notice that adding bone broth to their daily routine reduces stiffness and gives them more energy for everyday activities. The best part is that bone broth is simple to prepare and easy to enjoy. You can sip it plain, add it to soups, or use it in recipes. Every cup is a small step towards supporting your joints, protecting your bones, and staying active. It's not just food. It's a natural boost for your body that can help you feel stronger and more confident in your movements. Greek yogurt is more than a creamy, delicious snack. It's packed with protein and calcium, two nutrients that are essential for strong bones and healthy joints. Protein provides the building blocks your body needs to make collagen, while calcium helps keep your bones dense and resilient. Together, they work to support your overall joint and bone health. Adding Greek yogurt to your daily routine is simple and enjoyable. You can eat it plain, mix in fresh berries, or sprinkle a few nuts on top for added crunch. Even a small bowl each day gives your body nutrients that help maintain collagen and strengthen bones. Seniors who enjoy Greek yogurt regularly often report feeling more energetic and notice less stiffness in their joints. It's a snack that doesn't just taste good, it works quietly in the background, supporting your body and helping you move with more ease. With a little daily habit like this, you're giving your joints and bones the care they need to stay healthy so you can continue enjoying the activities you love. Eggs are a small but powerful snack for joint and bone health. The egg whites are full of amino acids, which are the building blocks your body uses to repair tissues and make collagen. The yolks provide healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that support overall bone strength and joint function. Together, the whites and yolks make eggs a complete and nutritious option for anyone over 60. Eating eggs regularly can help your body repair worn tissues in your joints and maintain bone density. Boiled, scrambled, or made into a small omelet, eggs are easy to prepare and enjoy. Seniors who enjoy eggs regularly often notice more energy, less stiffness, and improved mobility. This simple snack is more than just a protein source. It actively supports your joints and bones, helping you move freely and stay independent as you age. Berries are small but mighty when it comes to supporting your joints and bones. Fruits like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are packed with vitamin C, which your body needs to make collagen. They also contain antioxidants that protect your joints from damage caused by free radicals. This makes berries a delicious way to help your joints stay flexible and your bones strong. Adding berries to your daily routine is easy and enjoyable. You can mix them into Greek yogurt, sprinkle them on oatmeal, or eat them fresh as a snack. Even a small handful each day provides nutrients that help your body maintain collagen and protect your joints. Many seniors notice that eating berries regularly reduces stiffness and makes movements like bending or walking easier. Berries are not just sweet treats. They are natural allies for your joint and bone health. By including them in your daily snacks, you are giving your body important tools to stay strong, active, and independent after 60. Nuts and seeds are crunchy little powerhouses for your joints and bones. They are packed with zinc, copper, and healthy fats that all help your body produce collagen and maintain strong bones. These nutrients also support tissue repair and reduce inflammation, helping your joints stay flexible and comfortable. Enjoying nuts and seeds is easy and convenient. A small handful each day, about a quarter cup, is enough to get their benefits. You can eat almonds, walnuts, or cashews as a quick snack, or sprinkle sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds on yogurt, salads, or oatmeal. Seniors who make nuts and seeds a daily habit often notice more energy, less stiffness, and stronger joints over time. These small, simple snacks work quietly in the background. By adding them to your routine, you are giving your joints and bones the nutrients they need to stay strong, flexible, and ready for everyday activities. Salmon is not only delicious, but also a powerful ally for joint and bone health. It is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation in your joints and protect them from wear and tear. Salmon also provides high-quality protein, which supports collagen production and helps maintain strong bones. Including salmon in your meals a few times a week can make a real difference. You can enjoy it grilled, baked, or added to salads. Even small portions provide nutrients that help your joints move more freely and your bones stay resilient. Seniors who eat salmon regularly often notice less stiffness, better flexibility, and more energy for daily activities. This simple, tasty snack not only supports your body from the inside, but also makes healthy eating enjoyable. By making salmon a regular part of your diet, you are taking an active step towards stronger joints, healthier bones, and a more mobile, independent life.
Bell peppers are colorful, crunchy, and packed with vitamin C, a nutrient essential for collagen production. They also contain antioxidants that help protect your joints from damage and keep your bones strong. Eating bell peppers regularly can help maintain joint flexibility and reduce stiffness, making everyday movements easier and more comfortable. Including bell peppers in your daily routine is simple. You can slice them raw and dip them in hummus, add them to salads, or cook them lightly with your meals. Even a small serving each day provides nutrients that support collagen production and overall joint health. Many seniors notice that regular consumption of bell peppers helps them feel more energetic and move with greater ease. This vibrant, easy-to-eat snack is not just delicious, it's a natural way to care for your joints and bones. By adding bell peppers to your routine, you are giving your body the tools it needs to stay strong, active, and independent after 60. Gelatin and collagen gummies are a fun and easy way to boost collagen in your body. They are gentle on the stomach and provide a direct source of the nutrients your joints and bones need to stay strong and flexible. Regular intake can help reduce stiffness, support tissue repair, and make daily movements feel smoother. Enjoying these snacks is simple. You can have a small serving as a treat after meals or as a quick afternoon snack. Many seniors find that adding gelatin or collagen gummies to their routine helps them feel more mobile and comfortable in their joints. They are especially helpful for those who want a convenient, no-fuss way to get collagen without cooking or meal prep. This sweet and easy snack is more than just a treat. It's a tool for stronger joints, healthier bones, and a more active, independent life. By including gelatin or collagen gummies in your daily habits, you are supporting your body and investing in long-term mobility and wellness. Including these collagen-rich snacks in your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. The key is consistency and variety. You can start your morning with a bowl of Greek yogurt with berries, giving your body protein, calcium, and vitamin C to kickstart collagen production. Mid-morning, enjoy a boiled egg or a small handful of nuts and seeds to provide amino acids, zinc, and healthy fats. For lunch, add salmon or a small portion of bell peppers to your meal. In the afternoon, sip on a warm cup of bone broth or enjoy gelatin or collagen gummies as a quick, convenient snack. By spacing these snacks throughout the day, your body receives a steady supply of nutrients that support joint and bone health. Don't forget the basics. Staying hydrated is just as important. Water helps your joints stay lubricated and allows collagen to work more effectively. Even mild dehydration can make joints feel stiff. Pairing these snacks with plenty of fluids enhances their benefits. For an extra boost, combine these snacks with light daily movement. Short walks, gentle stretching, or simple resistance exercises at home improve blood flow to your joints, helping nutrients reach the areas that need repair. Small, consistent habits like these can make a big difference over time, helping you feel stronger, move easier, and enjoy your independence. By creating a simple routine that includes these snacks, hydration, and gentle activity, you are giving your joints and bones the care they need every single day. It's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about small, consistent steps that add up to lasting health and mobility. Hearing how others have improved their joint and bone health can be truly inspiring. Take Margaret, 64, for example. She used to avoid walking long distances because her knees ached constantly. After adding bone broth in the morning, Greek yogurt with berries, and a handful of nuts to her daily routine, she noticed a significant change within a few months. Her knees felt lighter, she could enjoy her morning walks again, and she even started gardening without pain. Margaret's story shows that small, consistent changes can have a powerful impact on your life. Then there's Robert, 67, who struggled with stiff fingers and sore shoulders. He started eating salmon a few times a week, adding bell peppers to his meals, and enjoying gelatin snacks daily. Along with light stretches, he gradually regained flexibility and noticed less stiffness in his joints. Today, he can play with his grandchildren, carry groceries, and move around his home more confidently. Even simple habits like a handful of nuts or a boiled egg can make a difference over time. Seniors like Margaret and Robert prove that consistency is more important than perfection. By choosing these collagen-rich snacks and small daily movements, you can rebuild strength, reduce aches, and enjoy the freedom to live life fully after 60. These stories aren't just about food, they're about hope, motivation, and taking control of your health. They show that it's never too late to make changes that support your joints, bones, and overall mobility. Collagen is a protein that acts like a cushion in your joints and a framework for your bones. Think of it as the body's natural glue that keeps everything in place and moving smoothly. Without enough collagen, joints can become stiff, bones weaker, and movement slower. That's why it's so important to support collagen production, especially after 60 when natural levels drop. Your body needs certain nutrients to make collagen effectively. Protein provides amino acids, the building blocks of collagen. Vitamin C helps your body link these amino acids together to form strong collagen fibers. Zinc, copper, and healthy fats support collagen formation and protect it from damage. By eating foods rich in these nutrients, you give your body the tools it needs to maintain strong joints and bones. Collagen also plays a key role in tissue repair. When joints are stressed from daily activities, collagen helps repair tiny tears and keeps your cartilage flexible. This means less stiffness and discomfort as you move. Foods like bone broth, eggs, Greek yogurt, nuts, salmon, berries, and bell peppers provide these nutrients naturally. Even small amounts consumed consistently can help your body rebuild collagen and protect your joints and bones over time. Understanding this science doesn't have to be complicated. The takeaway is simple. By including the right foods in your daily routine, you help your body maintain the cushion and strength it needs to keep you moving freely and confidently.